Hi everyone, this is part 2 of the Great Bead Extravaganza haul. My Dakota stones orders all came in one box, so I had 2 from the Great Bead Extravaganza and 1 off their website. I'm just going to share them all with you now. So this is the first thing, the first order I placed, and like I said, Goody Beads was doing this with Dakota stones, and so Goody Beads was making the bracelet, I think. It's a memory wire leather kit. Okay, so look, turquoise leather, braided leather, and I remember I can't remember the girl's name, I'm so sorry. Anyway, the lady that was making the bracelet saying some braided leather has like a hole in the middle, and that's what you need in order to do, there you can see it better on that one, to put wire through it. So that is what they gave us. And also then this round, this is the heavy duty gauge memory wire, stainless steel memory wire, 0.25 ounces. So it's like, I think she said it, well, it's more than enough to do the bracelet. I think the bracelet has like, yeah, 2.5 turns. So this looks like it'll make at least 2, maybe 3 bracelets, but only enough leather for 1. And then I'm kind of not remembering that we had gold findings in this, but there might have been. I don't know. So we have some tube beads. Yeah, I do remember that. I'm going to have to go back and re-watch how they made it, though. These are not tube beads. These are endings, end points for the leather. And some beads. And a little charm. And I think these are tiara casts, but I could be wrong. Don't hold me to that. So that was the first thing I got. It was a kit. And it wasn't real inexpensive, but it wasn't like super duper expensive either. About normal, average for a kit kind of thing. So that was order number 1 from the Great Bead Extravaganza with Dakota stones / Goody beads. And then obviously you needed beads to go with it. That was the thing in between those. So then they sold some beads, and now I know this was Dakota stones. So this was from the 7th of February, which was Sunday. I guess they were on Sunday. And so here they come. And I'll see, or they have them labeled good. So the first thing, I don't know what's in there. Oh, yes I do. The first thing was this one, I think. Let me see. Nope, that's not it either. Okay, I'm looking for a Roasite 8mm round. Roasite. That's Tiger's Eye. That's Demuterite. That's, well, we'll just do the other ones. But there's one thing. Yeah, it must be in here. Let's open this up. Okay, this is the Blue Moonstone. I'm not seeing Roasite. RHTBRD. Hang on. Okay, this is it. Hang on. Alright, this is the Moonstone. Alright, so this is called, ooh, it's really cold, Roasite, RHOICITE. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's their number RHTBRD, and it says number 0609. And this was $9 on the live sale. So I guess they don't have it in their warehouse. It's pretty. It's like a gray. Let me see if I can get the colors better. Here we go. It's almost got like some opal kind of stuff in it. It's really pretty, but it's got browns and grays, sort of a opal-y colors. Blues. I see some blues. So I got that one. That's the first one. I'll put them back in the bag later. Then the second thing is the blue moonstone. This is supposed to be grade AA, 8mm round, 15 to 16 inch. This, when they showed it on the screen, was like, I gotta have that. Blue moonstone. Now it looks more white here to me, but when they held it up, it had, yeah, see, it has like a blue quality to it. You can see, especially like on that one, you can see a lot. Really pretty. So this was a little pricey. This was $39. Yeah, that's why it's wrapped up. So this was blue moonstone, AA grade, 8mm round, 15 to 16 inch. I'm sorry for the glare. Really pretty. Does definitely look more white. When they showed it on the website, it had more blue to it to me. Well, oh well. It does have some blue in it, but I'm just not seeing as much blue in it as what they showed. Like that one there has some blue. Yeah, it's pretty. It's pretty. Okay, so let's set that aside here. Then the next thing is Petersite, which is really close looking to the Relisite, I think. I like natural stuff, and maybe it's the Capricorn in me, the earth tones. This is also 8mm round, and browns and grays and creams. So also that one's pretty cool looking right there. Yeah, interesting. Pretty. That one too. Ooh, look at that one. That's different, huh? I just am in awe of what comes out of our planet Earth. And so that's Petersite, Pietersite. I don't know how to say it properly. Okay, and then next is Red Tiger's Eye Matte. I don't know that I have any matte Tiger's Eye. I'm kind of curious, because I guess you don't see the chatoyancy in it then. Yeah, Red Tiger Eye 8mm round matte. Yep, you lose the chatoyancy in the matte. But there's a place for matte also. And if your name's Matt, there's a place for you too, I'm sure. It almost has a wood look to it, doesn't it? A red wood look, but it's a gemstone. Red Tiger's Eye. That one was, by the way, the Petersite was $13 for a 16-inch strand. This was $8 for a 16-inch strand. And the last thing I got from that online bead extravaganza sale from them was this, and this is Sunset Dumortierite, Dumortierite, 6mm round, 15 to 16-inch strand, and it's almost like a jeans blue in color. Really pretty. A little lighter than lapis. Doesn't have the white in it like Sodalite does. It's called Dumortierite, Sunset Dumortierite. I wonder why. I guess sunset because it's got some reddish colors in there too. Really pretty. And that one was $10. Now, I don't know, these prices might be, they were probably specials for the sale. So, I'm not sure. Now, I do have some other things. Let me put you on hold here for a second and get the other website order out, and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, I am back. And before we go over these beautiful gemstones, the other things I got were more leather cord. I got iris blue in 1.5 millimeter. I keep wanting to say 1.5. And 1.5 millimeter in natural red brown. I thought that was a good color. It's almost like a dark saddle brown, but with more red to it. There's definitely more red in it. It's coming across more brown without the red in it. It's definitely a brown. But you know I like the iris blue colors too, and that'll go nicely with some of these gemstones. And then I got more bead mats, Beadalon ones. There's a 3-pack. And these are nice and plush and fuzzy, not smooth like this one. I had gotten this pack that had blue, but this is real thin and shiny. And these are more matte. It's sort of the off-white, like a pale sage green and a pale blue. And they're nice and thick and plush. So I will definitely use those. Okay, so in order, fluorite, faceted 8mm rondelles, 15 to 16 inch strand. These are beautiful, beautiful fluorite beads. They're really nice, good quality, in my opinion. I mean, I see one that has a tiny little chip in it, but the rest look beautifully faceted. Sparkly. Got some yellow, greens, pinks, purples. Yeah, beautiful fluorite. I love that strand. I love everything I got here, actually. This next one is lapis and malachite, diamond cut faceted 4mm round. And this is also 15 to 16 inch strand. I'm not going to give you the prices on these because I got them wholesale. So I don't really know what the prices are. If they're different on the retail, I'm assuming they are, or I just don't pay sales tax on wholesale. I'm not sure. I know I don't pay sales tax on wholesale, but yeah, I don't know. I did get free shipping on this, but I think that's true of, yeah, free domestic shipping over $35. I think that's true for anyone, but aren't they pretty? So obviously the blue is the lapis and the green is the malachite, but the facet really makes them sparkle. And these are a little bigger than what we got in the last, was it January's or December's bargain bead box. Those were 3x2mm rondelles. These are rounds. Then this one is something different. This is actually jasper, faceted, plated, 10mm round, 15 inch strand. I have never seen electroplated or plated jasper before. I've seen agate, but this is really different. It's like metallic plating on jasper, and it's really sparkly. Can you see the sparkles in some of them? It's really pretty and different. I have never seen this before. Look at that one with the purple on. Huh. So they almost have like a silver and gunmetal and gold look to them. Disco balls. But with some gemstone variations to them. And this one almost looks like they put glitter on it or something. Really pretty. Different. Something different. And then the last one I got is the most expensive one I bought. This is blue apatite grade AAA, which is up there. And 8mm round, 15 to 16 inch apatite. Super pretty. Super pretty blue. This was a little pricey though. Look, it has a little druzy on that one. Huh. I didn't know apatite got that way. But really pretty. It's like partially transparent. Look at this one. So fuzzy. Why is it fuzzy? Focus. You're not seeing the right effect of it, but these are gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love apatite. Really pretty color. Very expensive. Compared to many of these other ones, especially. And then next after that in expensiveness is the fluorite. faceting always raises the price too. So anyway, that is my Dakota Stones website haul, and all my hauls from the Goody Beads / Dakota Stones show on the Great Bead Extravaganza, and then this is what I got off the website plus the bead mats. So I'm quite happy with everything I purchased, and I really can't wait to use some of these. Especially excited to try all these leathers I'm getting with the gemstones and see how I do with it, because I think they're cool. But yeah, I'm loving these gemstones. I'm a rock hound, a little bit of a rock hound, can you tell? Anyway, all right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, night, whatever it is, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.